It's hard not to fall head over heels for Kate Upton after seeing her new campaign images for Sam Edelman shoes. The model is a new face of Sam Edelman's new advertising campaign. But with pictures like this, it's hard to concentrate on the Sports Illustrated cover girl's footwear. In one of the black and white snaps, Kate is seen donning some killer heels as she shows off some leg and her sexy curves. And it seems her famous curves landed her the role in the ad campaign. As a photographer on the shoot, David Lippman told Women's Wear Daily she was chosen because she isn't stick thin. Kate is proving it's not just a bikini she can rock.